Hi friends, in the last class we learned about the homologous series and the ways we can express a compound in its formula. In today's class we are going to learn about how to name a compound which contains a functional group. The first one is carboxylic acid. Root word here I put alk because in place of alk you must place the number of the root word which is suitable for the number of carbons. If number of carbons is 1, the root word instead of alk would be meth. Here primary suffix depends on the homologous series of the compound, that is if it is an alkane or alkene or alkyne. We have to first check that if it is an alkane or alkene or alkyne. Root word, for getting a root word, first we have to count the number of carbons. For primary suffix we have to check that if it is an alkane, then suffix would be an, or if it is an alkene, the suffix would be ene, or if it is an alkyne, suffix would be yn. When we mentioned before ane, I told that ane, but instead of e, last e, a and e, we are placing the secondary suffix for the functional group. The secondary suffix for carboxylic acid is oic acid. The secondary suffix for carboxylic acid is oic acid. So the generic name of the compound will be alk. If it is an alkane, alkanoic acid. If it is an alkene, alkenoic acid. Here instead of a it would be e. If it is an alkyne, it would be alkynoic acid. Let us take the example of one carbon. Then alk would be replaced with meth. Meth. Let us consider if it is an alkane. Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid would be the generic name. Instead of alk, we must place methanoic acid. Instead of alk, if there is one carbon, we have to put meth. Let us consider if it is an alkane. Meth and oic acid, methanoic acid. If it is an alkene, it would be methanoic acid. Oh, sorry. Alkene starts with 2 carbons, but 1 carbon is always associated with carboxylic acid. So, ethanoic acid and methanoic acid are not possible. So, let us start with prop. 3 carbons must be present. In that, 2 carbons are associated in the double bond and 1 carbon is from carboxylic acid. Here we have to add the carbon present in the carboxylic acid also. That is, if we are counting the number of carbons to get the root word, no, we have to count the carbon present in the carboxylic acid also. Propanoic acid, I will mention its formula later. Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Its formula would be like this: CH2 double bond CH COOH. Here 1, 2, 3 carbons are present and 1 double bond is present. So it is an alkene. 3 carbons means prop. The primary suffix would be ene because a double bond is present. So it contains a carboxylic acid functional group. Its name would be propanoic acid. Similarly for alkyne, propanoic acid, let us check. This would be its formula. This is the formula of propanoic acid. Number of carbons present 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are present. So the root word would be prop. And a triple bond is present. So the primary suffix is ine. Y-E-N, ine. And it has a carboxylic acid functional group. So the secondary suffix would be oic acid. Propyloic acid. First, we have to check the root word. So, we have to count the number of carbons present, and then we have to see for any unsaturation or that is double bond or triple bond. Then we have to see what is the functional group present. It is a carboxylic acid. So, the secondary suffix would be oic acid. Propyloic acid is the name of this compound. Similarly, for acyl halides. For acyl halides, it is the same for these all. The secondary suffix would be oil halide. That is, take an example of CH3 CO Cl. CH3 CO Cl. Number of carbons present is 2. So, the root word would be eth. There is no double bond, that is double bond must be between carbons. Don't see the double bond between carbon and oxygen. There is no double bond or triple bond. So it is an alkane. Ethane. Primary suffix is an. Ethane. Here the secondary suffix is oil halide. This is the functional group present. So ethanoyl halide. Halide, in place of halide, we must consider the name of the halogen present here. Here chlorine is present. So instead of halide, we must write chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. Similarly, we can try for other examples. Next one is acid amide. Again the same thing. The secondary suffix is amide. CH3 CO NH2. Let us consider this example. CH3 CO NH2. 2 carbons are present. So there is no double bond between carbons or triple bond between carbons. So it belongs to alkane. Ethane. The functional group present is amide. CONH2. So the secondary suffix for acid amide is amide. Ethanamide. If this is the compound CH3, CH2, CONH2, 3 carbons are present, no? So propanamide. This is propanamide.